Hello. Thanks so much for dropping in. All right, so the soldering iron is heating. It is. I don't know if it's quite there yet. One way to tell, of course, is to take, I've got this big clump of solder. I need it to be shorter. If I touch it to the iron and it cuts it, it's a sign that it's getting there. Maybe it's even there. All right. Well, we'll give it a go here. I wish I kind of had a spongy thing here, but I don't. Well, we'll see about this. All right. So, I am left-handed. I will try to keep the solder long. You can see what's going on. So I will place this ever so gently. Watch things flow. In we go. Oh, my hand is really in the way there. Perhaps I will be daring. Now, I gotta see. Am I even pointed at the right part of the board? No, I don't think so. Excuse me. This is not going well. It's very disorienting here. Where are those? Oh, I am way off. Way off. Okay, that should be the spot. All right, we'll see if I can keep my hand better out of the way. Ultimately, I gotta get this done. All right. And it flows. And it flows. And it flows. And it flows. So far, things seem to be doing okay here. I'll try and put the iron on one side of the pin and the solder on the other side of the pin. So everything gets hot and everything flows. And there's my hand again. Okay, that one doesn't look like it flowed quite. All right, I'm gonna put the iron down. Put the solder down. I'm going to look for the other glasses. Oh, there they are. Under the solder. All right. I'll try and get a really, 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 really close look at the board. Make sure that everything looks good. Everything is soldered. And also, none of the joints are touching. And of course, I can also look in this phone and see a little bit. So I'm not sure how to make this better when it comes to my hand. Because when I put it in, maybe if I can leave the solder farther out. Alright, we have the iron. We're in position. We'll let it flow. Let it flow. Let it flow. Of course, remember, if you don't think you can do this, don't do it. Don't do it. If I didn't think I could do it, I wouldn't. I'd make a list of things that needed done, and I would find somebody to do it. Nice thing about reading glasses, because without them, it's difficult. I mean, I could see okay. But it's better to be magnified. That one did not look like it flowed so well. All right. Glasses off. Glasses off. And I think everything is looking okay, except maybe I could do a little better on a couple of things here. This one, I could use a little more solder. This one, and this one just needs a little, maybe warm up. And I think that was all I really saw. All right, glasses off. Oh, there they are. Glasses on. Okay. All right. So I'm going to, with great care, I'm always afraid these cords like to get caught on things, and I don't want to yank the iron down on me. Okay. So both irons are unplugged. There's the two nice sockets. And I guess now I'll take a little break. I'll put the board back in the machine. And within this machine, well, I'll try two other chips and then see what happens. And then I should be able to figure out which of these two chips, if not both of them, are damaged. So stay tuned. Thanks for being here. I'm not live from the pet room, but I'm in the pet room. See you soon. Bye for now.